More and more people are looking for ways to earn an income online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make a full-time living, there are many opportunities available to you. However, with so many scams and pitfalls out there, it can be tough to separate legitimate methods from shady ones. In this ultimate guide, we'll explore the most popular and proven methods for making money online, and provide you with actionable tips and strategies for getting started. Have you ever dreamed of earning an income from the comfort of your own home? Or maybe you're looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom? Whatever your reasons, making money online is a viable option that can provide you with the flexibility and income you need to live the life you want. Contrary to popular belief, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and persistence to succeed. However, with the right strategies and tools, anyone can achieve success and make a significant income online. Imagine being able to work from anywhere in the world, set your own schedule, and achieve financial freedom. Making money online can provide you with these opportunities and more. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or simply looking for a change, the possibilities are endless. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and profitable ways to make money online. Essentially, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to 1. Choose a niche. Identify a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large audience. 2. Find affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your niche. 3. Create content. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and promotes your affiliate products. Promote your content. Use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to promote your content and drive traffic to your affiliate links. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling products or services online. This can be done through your own website, a third-party platform like Amazon or Etsy, or a combination of both. To get started with e-commerce, you'll need to 1. Choose a product. Identify a product or niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand. 2. Create a website. Set up a website or use a third-party platform to sell your products. 3. Source products. Find suppliers or manufacturers that can provide you with high-quality products at a competitive price. Market your products. Use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to promote your products and drive sales. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a variation of e-commerce that involves selling products without holding inventory. Essentially, you act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier, and the supplier ships the products directly to the customer. To get started with dropshipping, you'll need to 1. Choose a product. Identify a product or niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand. 2. Find a supplier. Look for a reliable supplier that offers dropshipping services. 3. Set up a website. Set up a website or use a third-party platform to sell your products. 4. Market your products. Use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to promote your products and drive sales. 4. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. This can include writing, graphic design, web development, and many other services. To get started with freelancing, you'll need to 1. Identify your skills. Determine what skills or services you can offer to clients. 2. Create a portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your work and demonstrates your skills. 3. Find clients. Look for clients on freelance job boards, social media, and other platforms. 4. Deliver high-quality work. Deliver high-quality work on time and build positive relationships with your clients. 5. Online surveys. Online surveys involve taking surveys and providing feedback to companies in exchange for compensation. While online surveys may not provide a full-time income, they can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. To get started with online surveys, you'll need to 1. Sign up for survey sites. look for reputable survey sites that offer compensation for taking surveys. 2. Complete surveys. Take surveys and provide honest feedback to earn compensation. 3. Cash out your earnings. Cash out your earnings once you've reached the minimum payout threshold. Real-life success stories. Many people have achieved success and made a significant income using these methods. For example, Pat Flynn is a well-known affiliate marketer who has earned millions of dollars through his websites and podcasts. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, has built a massive e-commerce empire that generates billions of dollars in revenue each year. And there are countless freelancers and drop shippers who have built successful businesses and achieved financial freedom. Risks and drawbacks. While these methods can be lucrative, they also come with potential risks and drawbacks. For example, affiliate marketing requires a significant amount of time and effort to build an audience and generate sales. E-commerce and dropshipping require investment in inventory, shipping, and other expenses. Freelancing can be inconsistent and requires constant marketing and networking. And online surveys may not provide a significant income and can be time-consuming. Making money online is a viable option for anyone looking to earn an income from the comfort of their own home. By using these proven methods and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can achieve success and build a profitable online business. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and drawbacks and to take steps to minimize these risks. With hard work, dedication, and persistence, anyone can achieve financial freedom and live the life they've always dreamed of.